Well, hello there everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. I'm so glad that you stopped by today. Now, the 4th of July is coming up, so I'm going to be making baked beans. Now, I'm using 3 different beans for this recipe, and it has all of the traditional baked bean flavors. You've got your bacon, ketchup, brown sugar. Yeah, these are delicious. You won't want to miss it. So hang with me because it's that time to get cooking. So to my large cast iron skillet, I'm adding 6 slices of bacon that I have chopped. All right, so you just want to fry this bacon until it's nice and crisp. So while my bacon is frying up, I'm going to drain and rinse my beans. I'm using 1 can of pinto beans and 1 can of butter beans. All right, I'm gonna give them a good rinse. All right, so now that my bacon is crisp, I'm adding a half of a cup. It's actually a half of a yellow onion that I diced. And I'm gonna cook this until those onions become tender. And then I'm going to add 1 can of pork and beans. I'm not gonna drain and rinse these. Then I'm going to add my other beans. All right, next I'm going to make the sauce to add to the beans. And first, 1 cup of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of prepared yellow mustard, 2 tablespoons of black molasses, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. All right, I'm now going to pour this sauce into my beans. Now this is where you could transfer this to a casserole dish if you wanted. I'm actually just going to keep it in my skillet and bake it in the oven in my skillet. All right, just going to mix this all together. All right, then you'll want to bake in a 350-degree oven for about 45 minutes. The baked beans are all done, and oh my goodness, oh, there's nothing like baked beans to take to a picnic or a cookout. Yeah, come check them out. And you could use any variety of beans. Kidney beans, navy beans, lima beans. I really like the large butter beans in these. Well, thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you have a very happy 4th of July. God bless, and as always, I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.